Samsung Galaxy A35 5G review, the future of affordable smartphones. What if you could enjoy premium smartphone features without breaking the bank? Meet the Galaxy A35 5G, your new tech companion. Designed for modern enthusiasts, it offers lightning-fast 5G, a brilliant AMOLED display, and a rugged yet sleek design that's built to handle everyday adventures effortlessly. Equipped with the brightest Galaxy A series screen yet, the A35 5G's AMOLED display adapts seamlessly to lighting conditions, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, or browsing under the sun. Its IP67 rated water and dust resistance adds a durable edge to this compact, stylish device, offering reliable performance wherever life takes you. Transform your memories into masterpieces with the triple camera system. Capture vivid details with the 50MP main lens, enjoy stunning low-light shots with nightography, or record smooth, high-definition videos with optical image stabilization. Whether it's fireworks or candlelit moments, the A35 5G ensures your content always shines bright. Running out of storage is a thing of the past. With 128 GB of internal memory and expandable storage up to 1 TB, this smartphone ensures you have space for every app, photo, and video. Save more and stress less. It's all about keeping your digital life organized and accessible. Powered by the latest Android 14, a user-friendly interface, and backed by a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support, the Galaxy A35 5G delivers uninterrupted performance. Its seamless connectivity with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC ensures convenience and versatility, tailored to meet the needs of a tech-forward lifestyle. Think this is the phone you've been waiting for? Dive deeper into its features and explore more details by clicking the review link in the video description. Don't miss out on experiencing the powerful, innovative, yet affordable Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Upgrade your tech game today.